No, not like this way. And this will make my legs stronger because.
No, he can't. No.
It's way too strong for him.
Oh, and I don't think I could go through it either. How did she get through?
Hold this. I'm gonna walk over with her.
Wait. I want to go with you. You and Vivi stay right here.
Grass patch.
Go over there to the grass.
That way you can't get swept away.
Yeah.
Come on, babe.
Really?
Okay, hold on.
I really want to
Put
go
that
watch.
phone in. You want me to hold the phone?
No. I want you to hold me.
Well, then you need to be on the left side. That way I can block the current. Come on.
Can we go over here?
Hold my hand. It's strong. It's just as strong over there. Look, it's pulling from the ground, babe.
Okay.